Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. We will be solving the day 21 problem from the Mail Eat Coding Challenge. Given a m cross n matrix of ones and zeros, return how many square submatrices have all ones. For the given example, there are 10 squares of side 1, 4 squares of side 2 and 1 of side 3. The total number of squares become 15. For example 2, there are 6 squares of side 1, 1 square of side 2. The total number of square will be 7. Let's see the algorithm. We will initialize a result variable. We will have nested loop to iterate over the rows and columns of matrix. For each element, we will increment the result if its value is equal to 1. In the next conditional check, we see if the element is other than that of the first row or the first column. We also check if 2 cross 2 matrix formed by its top left and top left diagonal element has all ones. If these conditions are satisfied, we take the minimum of 3 elements forming the 2 cross 2 matrix and the current element and add it in the current element. We also add the minimum value to our result variable. At the end, we return result. Let's see it visually. For all the first row and first column elements highlighted, we increment the result if the value is 1. In the other case, we check the 2 cross 2 matrix by joining elements in the 3 directions shown. If all these have values greater than 0, we first find the minimum of these values. Then we add the minimum to the current element. We also add the minimum in the result variable. Let's see it with example. We traverse from left to right and top to bottom. For this element, the value is 0, so we move ahead. As this is the element of first row, we increment the result by 1 and move ahead. Repeating same with this element. Result now becomes 2. Again, as this is the first row and element value is 1, we increment the result. As this is still the element of first column, we just increment the result variable. Moving forward, we have an element that is not from the first row or column. As the value is 1, we increment the result. Now we compare it with the adjacent element forming the 2 cross 2 matrix. As we have a 0 in it, we move ahead. As the value is 1, we increment the result. Again, we will check the elements forming the 2 cross 2 matrix. As here all are ones, we find the minimum of 3 elements joining current to form the matrix. We can see that the minimum is 1. So we add this minimum to the current element and also to the result. We will repeat the same for all the elements. We have reached the last element. As the value is 1, we increment the result. We again check the matrix. As all the elements are greater than 0, we will find the minimum, which is 2. So we add 2 in the current element. Now it becomes 3. We also add 2 in the result variable and return 15. If we look closely, each number in the matrix now signifies how many square matrices it is a part of, if we consider it as a bottom right element in the matrix. So the bottom right element of the current matrix can be a part of 1 cross 1 matrix, a 2 cross 2 matrix and a 3 cross 3 matrix. The one above it is a part of 1 cross 1 matrix and a 2 cross 2 matrix. The time complexity of this algorithm is m into n, where m and n are the number of rows and columns. The space complexity here is O of 1. Here's the code snippet. Also, check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Check out my other videos for more interview problems. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. Also, if you want me to make a video on one of your problem statement, do comment.